Oresys launched Plant and Protect in 2017 as its main CSR project with two objectives: carbon footprint compensation and a positive local, social and economic impact. Oresys compensates carbon emissions through the plantation of trees in Sevenokope, Togo. With the help of our consultants and our partners, Kinome, a social enterprise, and Acado, a Togolese NGO, the plantation of trees in Togo allows for faster growth and therefore for the compensation of carbon dioxide at full throttle much earlier than if it were planted in Europe. Different breeds were carefully selected to play a role in optimizing growth. Trees with a strong capacity for sequestration, fruit trees so that agricultures could get immediate revenue through their sale, moringa trees which have very interesting nutritional values. Trees with a strong capacity for sequestration, such as giant cola or baobab trees, make up to 1/3 of the plantations and are useful both for compensating our carbon footprint but also for regulating the humidity and temperature, thus allowing for a smooth growth of the surrounding trees. Fruit trees bring revenue to the agricultures through their sale in local cooperatives. This revenue is used to buy material and seeds to enlarge the plantations. Fruit trees are therefore a source of durability for plantations, as well as a key source of revenue for agricultures. Moringa trees, which are key to Plant and Protect, produce leaves which are transformed into powder in our production site and tested in laboratories to ensure their quality, meaning the powder can be safely consumed. Moringa ensures the economic development and therefore the improvement of the population's standards of life. Through international sale, where the demand is rising for a product that is used in the beauty industry, in food supplements, etc. But also through local sales, where it generates profits allowing agricultures to plant moringa trees and other varieties each year, to train other agricultures to new plants and techniques, and to finance the local use of moringa. The development of agriculture's competencies, topped with active reforestation, has renewed the image of agriculture as a whole, which is now seen as a booming activity in the region. In addition, as moringa has incredible nutritional properties, particularly interesting for children's growth, canteens close to the plantations can integrate moringa powder into the meals served at lunch for no more than the price of a meal without moringa. Mothers, who are in charge of the canteen, prepare meals with moringa 4 times a week, which ensures that every child can have lunch. Not having lunch used to be a huge issue before this setup, since children would go home and not come back, or arrive at lunchtime and not be attentive in class. With canteen meals installed, children go to school instead of working in the fields. We observe a positive impact on education, both in presenteeism and academic success. Furthermore, the local Mothers Association spreads the use of moringa to mothers in other schools, so they may understand and integrate the properties of moringa in children's meals. Plant and Protect aims not only at compensating our carbon footprint, but mostly to develop the local economy of Togo on both the short and long terms, allowing for new callings in agriculture and renewed hopes in healthcare and education. Today, issues regarding carbon sequestration, global warming and the increase in inequalities are at the center of attention of the world. Solutions must be found to solve them on both the short and long terms. Useful reforestation is one of those solutions. 1 tree planted can sequestrate up to 90 tons of CO2 per year, that is 10 times the emission of a civilian in a developed country. 1 moringa planted produces enough for 50 moringa dishes each year. A school distributing moringa meals leads to a whole region flourishing thanks to agriculture and future prospects of children. Plant and Protect is a project launched in 2017 by Oresys. 3 years later, we already see promising results. Sevenokope ascends thanks to its agriculture. Children thrive in school. And we compensate our carbon footprint entirely. Useful reforestation is everyone's responsibility. So plant and protect. Why wouldn't you?